Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to insert a photos on your Google Sheet on mobile phone. Here I will open my Google Sheet, and then if you do add a new sheet, you can go to anywhere on your sheet. Just click, for example, the A1 cell, and then how to insert the photos, you can click this plus icon. After that, here you can see this is the image option. You can insert the image. You can choose whether it is image in cell or image over cells. The image in cell, which is the images will be resized fit to your cell, but image over cell, it will be hovering above of your cell. I will try one by one. For example, the image in cell, and then I will choose the from photos on my phone. For example, I want to insert this picture of Jack Welch. As you can see, the picture is really small because it fit to the cell size. So if I want to make it bigger, I have to rescale. Sorry, I have to rescale the size of this row. Okay, here you can see my pictures already bigger than before. It's shown because I resize this row. Also, I can resize to the right. Okay, and then the next one is insert over cell. This is very common we use because we can see the the photos will be for example, this photo, the photos will be above the cells. And then this is free hover. You can resize it, and then you can move it to anywhere you want. Unfortunately, now in the Google Sheet you can't rotate your photos on mobile. You have to log into your computer to rotate this picture. I've been searching for this feature of rotate or crop on this mobile, but I couldn't find. Okay, that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel, and then if you have any question, please put on the comment below. Thank you, bye bye.